common in kitchen use and a member of the mint family, apple mint is a reliable ground cover that offers multiple advantages to those who plant it. For instance, this plant is an ideal addition to kitchen gardens and is a key ingredient in dishes such as apple mint jelly, mint tea, and apple mint salads. For its edible nature and intense flavor alone, this plant, Mentha suivolens, grows in many gardens worldwide. Although this plant goes by the common name of apple mint, it shares no true relationship with apple trees. Instead, this plant gets its name because its leaves give off a unique aroma that is most similar to that of an apple. Those leaves also give rise to additional common names, one of which is woolly mint. This name, as it readily indicates, is a reference to the furry surface on the leaves of apple mint plants. Those leaves also have a somewhat wrinkled appearance, as most members of the mint family do. Apple mint comes with a few downsides. For one, this plant contains essential oils that can upset the stomachs of animals who eat them. Likewise, concentrated doses of apple mint essential oil can be exceptionally harmful to humans. Apple mint is also a vigorous spreading ground cover. This growth habit makes apple mint an excellent plant for erosion control. However, many members of the mint family are invasive. So, at the very least, you can expect apple mint to be difficult to contain.